Hey, what's up everyone? It's Emily from A Mom Explores, and I'm here to make travel with kids easier and more attainable for the average mom. Lately, Nashville, Tennessee has become such a popular destination. It's a big city with a small town feel, the heart of the country music industry, and a surprising foodie destination. I want to dispel the myth that Nashville is just for bachelor and bachelorette parties, because families with young kids can have so much fun there too. Last summer, our family visited with a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 6-year-old, and we had the time of our lives. I want to share my top 7 tips for visiting Nashville with young kids so you can enjoy it too. Tip number 1 is to stay near city center. Our family stayed at the Omni, which is located in downtown Nashville. We loved it because it was within walking distance of all kinds of awesome tourist destinations. We found the Omni to be incredibly kid-friendly, serving complimentary cookies and milk on the first night of the kids' stay, as well as awesome activity packs.
Whoa, Teddy!
What's in there?
It's an activity book. I have orange juice, and here's hot chocolate.
The room service options were great, and we loved the rooftop pool with the view of the city. My second tip is to take the trolley tour on your first day in Nashville. You get a real feel for the city, some background and history from the driver, and you can use it as transportation to and from sites like Centennial Park and the mural walls in the Gulch neighborhood that aren't necessarily within walking distance. Our kids just loved navigating with the trolley map and watching the sights go by out the window. Tip number 3 is to set aside half a day to spend at Centennial Park. You can tour the life-size replica of the Parthenon and see the giant statue of Athena inside. Our kids thought that was okay, but what they really loved was feeding the ducks in the pond and wandering through the Sunken Gardens, taking pictures of all the flowers. It honestly felt like such a nice break from the city to wander around in nature for a little bit.
We're in the Sunken Gardens, and welcome to this beautiful place. It is so beautiful, you might
Tip number 4 is to see the wall murals in the Gulch neighborhood. Everyone's going to be lined up for the Angel Wings mural, which is super popular on Instagram, but look across the street for the beautifully colored mural with tons of space for everyone to take photos with no lines. For my 5th tip, I would recommend heading to Broadway with your kids during the day and visiting one of the many honky-tonks along the street. Many of the honky-tonks will allow kids in before a certain time, and it's a fun way to introduce them to the culture of country music. I love that it's something that's so unique to Nashville. We really liked Robert's Western World for the atmosphere and the french fries. Tip 6. Cross the pedestrian bridge to see beautiful views of the Nashville skyline. Get a family photo by bringing a tripod and a remote, or you can be like us and take your chances asking a stranger to take a photo for you. Ours actually turned out great. On the other side of the bridge is a park where you can picnic and enjoy views of the city. We went right around dinner time so we could enjoy our picnic outside of the heat of the day.
Guys?
I'll say
What would you say, Pip?
I'd say awesome.
Yeah, we got bread, strawberries. How are the strawberries, Lou?
Good. Captain.
Okay, we're climbing the pedestrian bridge. How you doing?
No, we're on a steep mountain.
It's so hard.
My last tip is to stop at Five Daughters Bakery for their 100-layer donuts. Our family's very serious about donut tourism. We find the best donuts wherever we go. I have to say that Five Daughters Bakery really delivered. Not only Were the donuts heavenly and so filling, but the cafe itself is really Instagrammable. That's it, we made it. Those are my top 7 tips for visiting Nashville with young kids. If you liked this video and found it useful, make sure to give it the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, A Mom Explores, for more tips on traveling with young children. You can also find me on Instagram at A Mom Explores, where I share all kinds of photos and behind the scenes of our travels and everyday life with 3, soon to be 4, young children. I look forward to connecting with you here on YouTube or over on Instagram. Until then, keep exploring.